Hello, people. Me again. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. What? Now, to you Ubuntu users, we're talking about Cider. It's an open source Apple Music client for Linux. Yeah, found it. Says here, if you're an Apple Music subscriber wanted to use the service on Linux, you have to check out Cider. Cider inspired name. It's an open source community oriented Apple Music client for Windows and Windows Mac OS. Not that they need it, and Linux. It is Electron based, but the developer behind it say it was written from scratch with performance in mind. Says here, as well as letting you browse song, artists, and albums in Apple Music catalog, the app also gives you access to Apple Podcasts too. Linux users spoiled. Anyway, says here, obviously Cider is 100% unofficial and not Apple endorsed, but the feature set is solid and the user interface look great. It gives you all the core functionality of Apple-owned browser-based Apple Music web player with the added convenience of app-specific tailoring. Says here, Cider developer are keen to stress that their client is not simply a mod version of the Apple Music web player, but an experience of itself, crafted from the bottom up to be its own thing. To this end, Cider offers support for spatial audio via the Cider lab and provides an equalizer with plenty of preset to choose from. Yeah, Ubuntu, baby. Anyway, says here the app is also eminently customizable. You can browse and apply custom themes or even create your own. Set an ancient color, disable the fancy window effect, switch between two user interface layout to a compact mode, control what appears in the sidebar, and enable a native window title bar. Though honestly that looks a bit meh, so I don't show it in this screenshot. Says here, Cider also boosts usual niche niceties you would expect of a Linux music client like MPRIS support, so you can control music from most Linux DES sound applets, a tray presence, and track change notification. Then it says here, Discord and Last FM integration is baked in, so you can log your music listening habits, and mention in apps for Android lets you control playback from your phone. You can also shrink the app down to a mini player or expand it to a gorgeous, immersive, full-screen view with lyrics from Mixed Match. Says here, Cider is an open-source software that's free to use, but you do need an active Apple Music subscription to actually use it. It has intended, though the app is also able to play local music files. Yeah, Cider is available in nearly every packaging format possible, including Deb, AppyMag, and Snap from the project GitHub. It's also available to install it via the AUR from FlatHub. If you are on Windows, you can install Cider from Microsoft Store, download it using WinJet, or grab an installer from the GitHub project page. So there you go. For all you Ubuntu users out there, some of you probably using 22.4. Some of you probably got 20.4 and 22.4 on two different machines, or some of you even got 16.4 on one, 18 on the other, 20.4 on the other, and 22. So yeah, I would know. So anyway, You know, it's a nice little you know, a nice little app, you know, for your Ubuntu operating system, so you can, you know, use it while you're on your computer doing your work, and listen to all the Apple Music all you want to, and of course you got to pay for that little subscription fee from Apple, but no biggie, that's not a problem. And go on from there. So Apple Music Store carries a lot of music, and you can do all kind of music with this little app. So give it a go if you got Ubuntu. Give it a go. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this video for you all to enjoy with the article and the link in the description box, plus the video. Oh, by the way, too, Dell just came out with a laptop for Ubuntu, and I think it has 22.4 on it. So but Dell and Ubuntu operating system always work pretty good. Matter of fact, Dell with any Linux operating system, whether a laptop or a desktop, they work pretty well. So yeah, if you got a Dell desktop, then you would know what I'm talking about. But anyway, leave this video for y'all to enjoy. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek thing, or Dark Side. Go. Peace.